RDB, you all have already been seeing and hearing about it. First shots, hopefully it goes well. I grabbed the wrong magazine, hopefully it'll go all right. All of you asking, there she was. First shots, flawless. Tore my target up, but it's all good. It was a little too close anyway. Of course, I got my red dot.
We're clear to go out and get our target. You up here figure out? Yeah.
Go on. Okay. I'm going to take a brief intermission while I reload this RDB. Nice. By the way, on the I'm running the El Cheapos. Since we're at the range and they were cheap, I figured I'd use these. Peace.